Hey there, my name is Talman, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can enter practice in Valorant. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just click play here in the top, and right next to competitive spy garage you're gonna see practice. So I'll just click on it, and now you have option to choose open range, shooting test, spike planting, and spike diffuse. I recommend going to shooting test to test it out, like your aim and everything. All you have to do is like just add and just wait until it loads. And now you just select the agent that you want to play, and voila, here we are. So now you just like simply buy a weapon that you want and you click start and you just fire them, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. Have a great day and goodbye.